The banking industry is innovating at an unprecedented pace, and born-in-the-cloud digital disruptors are encroaching on the market. But it can be disruptive and expensive to implement new digital platforms. I'm Katharine Harrison, Product Manager at IBM. We're going to take a look at how IBM Cloud Paks and IBM Financial Services Workbench can help banks speed modernization by adding intelligent, integrated automation to the loan decisioning process and by developing composable banking solutions. In our example, the CIO of fictitious Waldspray Bank needs to scale, reduce costs, and deliver technology that can speed up the small and medium enterprise lending process per her business requirements to stay competitive. To accomplish this, she needs to create business capabilities that are independent of a dedicated channel and platform architecture. So she asks Michael, the lead IT architect, to establish the standards for this new use case. Michael explores IBM Financial Services Workbench, a solution development and composition suite designed to accelerate development of modern cloud-native solutions. IBM Financial Services Workbench lets the team compose business solutions rather than code them. It does this by the reuse of, the inclusion of third-party, or the creation of new domain services. The freedom to compose solutions protects past investments in existing business capabilities. It enables best-of-breed solutions, and it allows phased modernization of existing applications. Developing cloud-native is exciting, but the relevant skills can be scarce or committed to other projects. Michael starts with a solution designer and creates a low-code project supporting the domain-driven design approach. This allows him to directly map artifacts like aggregates, command, services, or events within the collaborative design tool and to have his business logic implemented in a low-code way. Thanks to code generation support, the developers can focus on business logic and deliver the required set of microservices with enterprise-grade quality in the very first iteration. Instead of independently deploying individual services, Michael wants to establish consistency and standardization from the beginning. IBM Financial Services Workbench offers an operating model for building cloud-native solutions with a set of best practices that unifies Git deployment, management, and monitoring. All Michael needs to do is create a new application composition project in IBM Financial Services Workbench. After defining a new deployment target, Michael adds the previously implemented components by simply selecting them from the catalog. Once he is done with the application composition, a simple commit triggers the deployment to the cluster, fully audit-proof and automated, thanks to end-to-end CI/CD pipelines and Git workflows applied to both operations and development. They now have the backbone for their MVP, a composition of reusable business capabilities. Now, we see the business process being created in the business automation workflow in IBM Cloud Pak for business automation. All the new business capabilities are available for direct consumption in a low-code environment, and the required tasks are easily mapped to roles and teams. The business users love the integrated experience, where they can easily interact with the work list and the composed experience supporting task completion and see all relevant information in one consolidated view. There's no more searching for information in other systems. The team now shifts focus to data-driven decision support. Using ODM decision model capabilities, the customer's contextual information is evaluated against configurable business thresholds. Once the new decision automation is integrated into the IBM Financial Services Workbench service domain, the functionality is directly available in all applications. The team uses App Connect in IBM Cloud Pak for integration to securely connect the existing environment and various cloud systems without writing a single line of code. The new integration flow is then composed into the customer domain using IBM Financial Services Workbench. To get both recommendations and reliable decisions, the team now augments the rules-based loan approval decisioning model with a predictive machine learning model. Mina, the data scientist, uses IBM Cloud Pak for Data's Auto AI capability to develop and train a predictive machine learning model to recommend whether a loan should be approved or declined. So here's what we've seen. IBM Financial Services Workbench's application composition framework maximized reusability for Waldspray-Bank's team by allowing them to design and build generic service domains rather than product or channel-specific capabilities. The team delivered their solution ahead of schedule because all roles could collaborate. They were able to minimize day two operations expenses because all the solution components run on one platform based on Red Hat OpenShift and can be run in any cloud. They're saving time and money and reducing risk and disruption because they've progressively converged the management of existing systems with a new digital platform. We've used IBM's Cloud Paks and IBM Financial Services Workbench to apply intelligent automation to a process that spans multiple systems, all under a common control plane, helping lenders set a solid competitive advantage in this rapidly changing market.